In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and set up Microsoft Bookings, a powerful tool for managing your appointments and meetings efficiently. With Microsoft Bookings, you can organize your calendar, schedule meetings, and streamline customer interactions with ease. It's a fantastic feature included with various Microsoft 365 subscriptions, and today, we'll guide you through the process of getting started. First, before diving into our main topic, it's important to ensure you have a Microsoft 365 license that offers access to bookings. This includes plans such as Business Standard, Business Premium, or Enterprise E3, E5. If you're unsure about your current plan, take a moment to verify the details through your account portal or by reaching out to your IT administrator. Once you've ensured you have the correct license, let's sign in to your Microsoft 365 account to access bookings. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. Enter your credentials, and once logged in, you'll be greeted by the familiar Microsoft 365 homepage, which hosts an array of productivity apps. Now, to access Microsoft Bookings, you have a couple of options. The first option is to go straight to the Bookings portal by typing book.ms into your browser's address bar. This will quickly redirect you to the Bookings page. Alternatively, you can find Bookings listed among the apps in your Microsoft 365 dashboard. Once on the home page, you might see an app launcher or app grid, usually located at the upper left corner. Click on it to reveal a list of available applications. Scroll through until you find Bookings and click to open it. As Bookings launches, you'll notice a well-organized interface that guides you through setting things up. If this is your first visit, you'll be prompted to create a new booking calendar for your business or organization. This is the essential first step in configuring Bookings to meet your specific needs. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will ask you to name your business, set up your services, and configure your business hours and staff availability. These settings ensure that your customers can conveniently schedule appointments during the times you've designated. A quick tip here. While setting your services, try to define precise service durations and staff assignments so that customers clearly understand the time commitments required. This step will help manage expectations and ensure smoother operations moving forward. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, take a moment to review your setup, ensuring everything reflects your business's needs accurately. You can always adjust these settings in the future, but having a solid foundation is key to realizing the full benefits of Microsoft Bookings. By following these steps, you're well on your way to optimizing how you manage appointments with Microsoft Bookings. With your calendar now live, customers can easily find and schedule times that work for them, helping you streamline operations and enhance client satisfaction. Thanks for tuning in, and take care.